Hey everyone, this is Dr. Colin Zhu, TheChefDoc, and thank you so much for being here to TheChefDoc. Thank you for downloading the app. What we're going to do is a quick tutorial on how to get the most out of the app. Just as an FYI to start, is that after you downloaded the app from your app store or the Google Play Store, there's many different ways to access it. It doesn't have to be just the app. You could access it via the app, desktop, your web browser, as well as tablet form. So there's many different ways to access it. So I'm going to show you really quick. So besides just a smartphone application, you could also access it via web browser. So as you can see here, you have to type in TheChefDoc.passion.io. Okay, that's how you access the app materials. And then you basically go into logging in, right? So I'm already logged in through my profile, and when you do that, you could access everything. Okay. Another way, if you own a Mac, you could also do this via a desktop icon like this right here. Okay. So basically I'm going to access it here. Let me just minimize this, and this is how it looks like, okay? And you just log in. Once you download, it's super important that you create an account. This is how everything is tracked, and how everything is. If you have upgraded, you have to upgrade after creating an account, and then you can access the full range of the programming. So you click on login. This is the actual app, but you could download it in terms of a desktop, version. Okay, and so you just go in, okay, and this is how everything looks. All right, so this is the desktop application. You could also do it via web browser. So I'm going to open up the web browser, and this is how it looks like. Okay, first things first is look at the welcome. Okay, look at the welcome, look at the video. Okay, read everything, and then once you're done, you press complete. Okay, you kind of go back, and let's just say you are accessing a class off of Whole Food Plant Based. Okay, just read all the starts first. Okay, and then look at whichever you are assigned. If you are part of our group coaching program, look at the assigned assignment. So for example, let's just say supermarket tour is part of your assignment. Then you watch the corresponding video, you look at it, you finish the lessons, and you press complete. Okay, and then you come back out. All right. If you're a part of the group coaching program, you're going to be using a lot of the Thrive formula as well as Thrive Bites. Okay, Thrive formula, similarly, you go down, you start off with watch me first. Okay, you watch the corresponding video, and then you watch all this and you press complete. And then if you are, looking at mainly food as medicine, okay, you click on here, and then you click the corresponding class that you're assigned. Let's just say you are, looking for my class, for example, okay? So you click on the video, you watch it, whether it's on your desktop, okay, this is the web browser, okay? You could do this by iPad or a tablet, or you can do this by smartphone. So it doesn't have to be, very small. Okay, and then that's how you do it. Okay, this is Dr. Colin Zhu. Thank you again for downloading the app, and thank you so much for joining our programming. If you're part of the group coaching programming, this is a quick tutorial on how to navigate your app from your smartphone. Okay, I made a separate video on how to access it in terms of the desktop app and or your web browser. Okay, you could always access it through different ways. It doesn't have to be the smartphone, but again, once you download it, super important that you go into your account that you created to log in. We gave you access, so you should be able to log on. And so basically from here, we are, holding, this is the smartphone side of it. So basically, once you downloaded it, you log in to your account, okay? Super important in order to access everything and or upgrade. So you click on login, okay? And then you log in, okay? So from here, you're going to click on learn, okay? So similarly to my last video, it's important that you look at the welcome page, so you get oriented, okay? You click on here, you look at the corresponding video, you read the text, and what's cool is that this is how you keep track of all your activity. You press complete when you're done, and then you click out by the upper left-hand corner, okay? If you're part of our group coaching program, you're going to be leveraging mainly 3 programming: Whole Food Plant-Based 101, the Thrive Formula, as well as Thrive Bites, okay? So for example, Whole Food Plant-Based, for example, whatever class or session you are assigned, make sure that you are clicking everything. So this is the audio course, okay? As well as, supermarket tour, or the pantry tour. So let's click on the supermarket tour, and okay, you click on the corresponding video. Okay. And it will play. Okay. If you're comfortable with, playing on your phone, that's great. If you feel like you want to do this on your desktop, or your web browser, you can. There's no limitation. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you click complete, and then you come back out of it, upper left-hand corner. Okay. Upper left-hand corner. And then Thrive Formula, for example, this is where most of your classes will come from, in addition to everything. So for here, again, watch me first. Very important that you do this one first, okay? And then you watch the corresponding video, you click complete, and then you come out of it. Food is medicine. A lot of classes are going to be stemmed from here. You click the corresponding class, okay? For example, you click into my class, okay? You watch a corresponding video, read everything here. Usually there's a quiz, okay? You can complete the quiz, and then you, for example, let's get out of this. Let's go to Dr. Melissa. She'll have a course, a class, and then there's a quiz that follows up of it. And then it's here. You complete the quiz. Okay. Sometimes there's a handout. Okay. And then you click complete at the bottom. Okay. Same thing with Thrive Bites. Okay. Click on this. And then you do the watch me first. You could also listen to this instead of watching it. You're going to do plant-based, for example. Okay. So let's just say you go into Dr. Uma's, class, you connect, you can listen by audio. So most of the sessions are recorded audio before we transfer to video. So some of them have video you could watch or listen. Great if you are multitasking, right? And this is a little information profile for the guest. You click complete, and then you're done. And then you follow up with the assignments with your corresponding coach, and then you just kind of go from there. Okay. So I hope that gives you a little bit on how to navigate everything. Again, go to your coach, figure out what class or session you do. Okay. And they have specific instructions on how to follow up. Most importantly is that you log in with your login and password, and then make sure you update the app ever so often, because we update our app every now and then. And then you just watch the class, do the corresponding homework, and then report back to your coach. And we hope that you enjoy this. We wish you massive success, and I'll see you guys real soon.